Hey Lewis, hey Alfred. Just sending you a quick Tuesday update. House is looking great. We got the word. We can schedule the pre-drywall inspection Tuesday. So I'm gonna send out a form. It'll need both of your guys' signatures. Should be out later today or tomorrow morning whenever it gets done generating. But your inspector is aware, and it's any time that day that he can get in. So that'll be the day to do it, okay? But we're looking good here. You can see we're roughing everything in. The electrical's getting roughed in. You can see the boxes coming in and stuff. We're not done yet, but we're getting there. So that's why we wait. We want to have everything in this right before we start wrapping and stuff. So it's looking great. It's a beautiful day outside today. Hope you guys are doing well. Here's your study. And then 2 bedrooms up front. So we're making great progress, guys. Keep an eye out for that form to sign. And again, guys, any questions in the meantime, if I can answer it, I will. If not, I can get one of the construction guys to get a response for you. Okay? Talk soon.